You've got the nuclear age now, right? And so with nuclear power, and I'm talking about positive nuclear power, like using it for things like electricity and whatever, you have a lot of remainder, which is now called nuclear toxic waste. They don't really know what to do with that stuff yet. So they put them in containers, and they got companies, private companies, which are hired by governments to get rid of and dispose of these nuclear toxic wastes. Now, since the early 90s, when the government in my country collapsed, these private companies have illegally been dumping nuclear toxic waste containers on the shores of Somalia. Nobody was there to protect them, and the fishermen who was there in the coastal lands would complain time and again. It got to the United Nations Security Council and was ignored and thrown out. It was months after that who we are now calling pirates, these men mobilized themselves, these fishermen, and got street militias from the streets and brought them on board into the ocean to protect the Somali waters. The truth is that all of that started because of these Western companies dumping nuclear toxic waste on our shores. And so that's the complicated scenario of my country. I would say that if you want the piracy to stop dumping nuclear toxic waste in our country. It is much worse, much more heinous and sinister crime than piracy could ever be. What you're doing is you're trying to destroy a generation.